Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thanks for joining me again. Today, what we're going to do a little review of a new meat thermometer I got. And actually, the meat stick reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in trying their product, just doing a little review on my channel. And I said, sure. So they sent me the Meat Stick X. Comes with a little charger, and it's also got a Wi-Fi extender built into that, hence Meat Stick X. And I will be doing a comparison of the Meat Stick X versus my InkBird, and we're going to check, I'll show you all the apps and everything on the phone, and see what the, if the temperatures are pretty close or what have you. I'm excited about trying this new thermometer. So Meat Stick, thank y'all for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. And y'all look down here, what we're gonna do, just got a little pork loin that I actually kind of halfway butterflied open, and I'm gonna stuff that with some just cream cheese and bacon jalapeno poppers. I'm gonna put them in here. We're gonna wrap it up, and we're gonna cook it. We're gonna put our thermometers in there and see if we get some good readings. And I am gonna be using, for my rub today, Uncle Steve's Competition Pig Powder. Uncle Steve, thank you very much for sending this out to me, brother. Love all your rubs, man. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve's at UncleSteveShake.com and get y'all some of this wonderful product. Anyway, let me get this set up, guys. We'll get this seasoned up, and I'll meet y'all back here in just a minute. Okay, we got the inside seasoned up. Some of this good old Competition Pig powder here. And I think what I'm gonna do, y'all, just for good measure, I'm gonna put a little bit of cream cheese in here. Why not? Y'all make y'all's how you want to. This is totally an experiment. We'll spray a little bit of that out in the middle here. Just like that. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, for this little deal here, 2 poppers were enough on the inside. Like I said, I did add extra little cream cheese, and I pinned it with some little pins I'd gotten a while back. So we're going to season the outside with Uncle Steve's Competition Pig powder here. It'll be pretty good, y'all. I like experimenting with stuff. How about y'all? Get all the sides in. Oh yeah. A little pop of that playing peekaboo. I'll meet y'all out by the grill. We got the Lone Star Grillz up to temp. That's a meat stick. Turn it on right there. And you hold that button and you press it like that for a few seconds. It's going to start flashing. It's going to turn on the extender. That gives you more range on your Wi-Fi. And you got a little icon right there with the X Wi-Fi. So, alright, let's set up our cook. We'll go on grill. And we're doing pork. We're doing pork loin. How y'all like that app? Isn't that neat? Let's see. 145. I'm cool with that. We'll create our cook. And look at that. That's pretty neat. We'll start cooking. Alright, I'll meet y'all outside. Let's go throw this thing in here. Alright, let's get this pork loin set on here. We're going on the top rack. We'll go in the middle here. Just like that. And we're going to throw our meat stick in there. I'm gonna go this away. And as they shove it all the way in up to the narrow right there. I'm thinking that's gonna be our ambient. And that is porcelain right there, so that will not burn up. But y'all check out the specs on this Meat Stick X. Fantastic, man, fantastic. So, all right, 77 now. So now we're cooking. So we're just gonna monitor our temps, and we'll play with the rest of this stuff as we go. Once you set it, you forget it, from what I'm understanding. So 73 internal. We're gonna let it rock and roll, and that's got to be our ambient. We're gonna see. All right, let's plug the InkBird in. Same kind of deal here. All right. Yep, InkBird showing about 70. Meat Stick showing 72. That's within 2 degrees. I'm cool with that. So, all right, let's get this shut down and get this party started. We'll come check back in a little while. All right, got the grill rolling. This the InkBird app is Barbecue Go, and this is the Meat Stick app on the right. 75 here, 77 here. I'm cool with that. And that 186 down there is the grill temp, man. How cool is that? You got your probe on the long end, ambient temp probe for the grill on the outside and at the end of the handle. That is way too cool. I love my InkBird. It's very accurate. Looks like the this one is as well. You know, so you can't fuss about a couple of degrees. The extender works fantastic. I did just get a notification for a disconnect on the InkBird, and it came right back. Anyway, we'll check on this stuff in a little bit. Okay, here's a little update. The InkBird is reading 115 degrees. The Meat Stick is reading 115 degrees, and the ambient, the grill temp is 338. I did check that against the Tell True gauge on the LSG, and it's within probably 5 degrees. Man, that is awesome, y'all. I just jumped up to 116 and 347 on the grill temp. I did just restoke it a little while ago. Man, that's freaking fancy, y'all. I like that, man. Anyway, we'll check back in a little bit. Meat Stick showing 330. And my Tell True is showing about 330. Man, I'm cool with that, y'all. That is freaking awesome. Look at that. Pork loin's looking good. Got our poppers down here. They looking pretty good. We'll check back here in just a little bit. Alright, man, there's my alarm. Cook complete. Had it set at 145. Now it's at 146. InkBird showing 142 right there. And you know we got to stick this with a thermal pin. 47. 5 degrees or so. I'm good with that. The poppers are done. We're going to pull all this stuff off. I am very impressed with this Meat Stick. And the InkBird actually dropped out on me on the Bluetooth. Let me get all this off of here and let it get rested before we burn this stuff up. But I'll meet y'all inside. Pork loin's pulled off and resting comfortably. I'll let it rest for just a little bit. Oh, look at that. Dang, y'all. It smells good. You got a little once around here. Oh, look at that. Can't wait to cut this dude open and let's get us a bite. Alright, y'all. We've been resting for about an hour. Let's cut some of this dude up. See how we look on the inside. It's nice and juicy. Y'all check that out. Whoop, don't be peeking now. Huh? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Cut her straight down the middle like we do all the rest of them. Got a straggler. Come on back here. What? Man, check that out. How y'all like that? Pretty, huh? Alright, let's get a bite of this. Look at that, pork medium done, whatever, 145. There you go, folks. Nice, huh? Nice little crust on it. Nice and juicy. A piece of lanyap. Let's get a bite of this goodness. What y'all think about that? I love experimenting with food. How about y'all? So there you go again, y'all. Look at that. Jalapeno popper stuffed pork loin. That's pretty damn good. Man, that's so good. I gotta finish that off. Boy, that's good, y'all. That Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. That's good stuff, man. And with the jalapenos and bacon wrapped jalapenos inside, that's good. And I'll tell you what, I'm very impressed with the meat stick thermometer. You know, y'all can go to themeatstick.com and find them. You can find them on Amazon.com. They're about $100 for the Meat Stick X, somewhere in that range. Heck of a product, man. I love my InkBird, and thank y'all, InkBird, for sending me the 4X thermometer. But tell you what, man, this and I guess that's why they wanted me to do a little comparison video, because it's got the ambient grill temp thermometer on the end of the handle, and it reads your, you know, your meat on the probe end. That's neat. I've never seen that before. I had no idea, but that's cool, y'all. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this up, get some plate pics and everything. Appreciate all of y'all. Y'all give a shout out to my buddy Chris at Lone Star Grillz. Give a shout out to Uncle Steve. UncleSteveShake.com. InkBird. Shout out to InkBird. They have an excellent product also. Meat stick. That is a hookup, man. Let me tell you. I'm very impressed with that, y'all. I have flame balls, so the iGrill 2 from Weber, and all that's good. I tell you what, and the range on this meat stick is fantastic. It never dropped out once. InkBird dropped out a few times, you know, but on the Wi-Fi. But man, I'm happy with the whole thing, with the cook and all. But y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.